when we stop learning, we stop growing. Good afternoon, Toastmasters.
Good afternoon.
I want to start my session with a couple of questions that I want to ask with you. Ask to you. I want to ask how many of you drove today to come to office? Good, maybe. And I want to ask one more small question. How many times you have seen the rear view mirror while you are driving?
Occasionally.
Occasionally, right? Yeah. Good, very good. Yeah, one or two times, and sometimes we don't remember also. So basically, this rear view mirror is just for reference. When you are driving the car, we have to drive looking through the windshield. And when it comes to life, this rear view mirror is nothing but your past. Right? And when you are sitting in the driver's seat, the car is telling you that you have to be futuristic and look at your past occasionally. And the same is the topic for my session today. So today I'm going to talk about the lessons that we can learn from the car as well as the lessons that we can learn from the road. So back to car. So generally in Indian cars, right? Generally in Indian manufactured car, we have 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. That means that the car is telling us that we have to move more forward than reverse in our life. So that's the first message that I feel that a car is giving to us. Then second message that I feel is that when we start our car and start our journey, we generally put our car into first gear because it needs a lot of energy for you to move your stationary car and get into the speed, because it needs a lot of energy, a lot of torque. Similarly, in life, whenever you are starting something new, some new journey or new project or new assignment or new relationship or a new company or new venture, you have to start slowly. You have to start with the first gear because you need a lot of time, lot of energy for you to start your journey. So that's the second message I feel that the car is giving to us. There is one more thing, right? When you sit in the car, there are a lot of buttons, windshield buttons, there are fog light buttons, lot of at least 10-15 buttons you will see in your car, hazard button. But you will see there is no control set button in your car. So control set button is only available in your software or in your applications, right? When you do a control set, you go back to a position where you started. But when it comes to car or when it comes to life, there is no control set button available in the car as well as life. That's one more message that car gives us. Then when you are starting your journey, when you start journey, you see that there are many people who are overtaking you, right? The big cars or the fast cars, they just overtake you and zoom they go. But you should not be worried about it. You should not be feeling guilty about this, because if the guy is driving faster, that doesn't mean that you will not reach your destination. You will also reach your destination, but little late. So the question is not will you reach the destination, but the question is when I will reach. So in our life, in office, we see that many people overtake you, get more promotion faster than you. So don't worry, because you will also get your, you will also reach your destination. Maybe not immediately, maybe later on. So don't worry, be happy. So that's the message that I can take it from road. One more message I can say is that, say when you're driving on a road, highway with 100 kilometers per hour, you see a truck in front of you driving at 40 kilometers per hour on a high speed lane on a highway, right? You might have observed this situation, and in spite of you honking from behind, that guy is not moving, he's not giving way to you. So what are the choices that you have, right? Either you stay behind him and continue with the 40 kilometer speed. Of course, with such a beautiful car that you have, you will not like to run at 40 kilometers per hour. So what do you do generally? So you go to the slow lane, overtake him, again go to the fast lane and drive at 100 kilometers per hour, right? So have you come across a boss in your organization who is growing slower than you? Right? And in spite of you honking from behind, in appraisal telling him that give me promotion, he is not giving promotion. Because if you give him promotion, you will become at equal to him, right? So in this situation, what you can do? What do you do? Either continue reporting to the manager, and once he gets promotion, you also eventually get promotion. or you quit the job, overtaking, you can go to the high speed, right? It's very simple. If you are standing below orange tree, you cannot expect mangoes. Either you have to change the tree or start liking oranges, right? So that's the message that you can also get from the slow moving trucks that you get on highways. The next message that I learned is about the school, right? When you go to school, when you are young, you go to school and learn ABC, fundamentals. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. And when you go to driving school, they also teach you ABC. A for accelerator, B for brake, C for clutch. Correct? So fundamentals. So they teach all fundamentals. Right? There was a German coach. Whenever his football team used to lose in any of the match, he used to start the next day coaching by holding the ball in his hand and saying that this is called football. Because he used to believe that when you lose any match, you don't lose on any of the fundamentals. You don't lose in any advanced techniques. You lose on fundamentals of team spirit. Right? So don't forget about your fundamentals, ABC. So you should always brush your ABC, not the Amitabh Bachchan Corporation. Then the last lesson, when we go to the school, we put a L-board to our vehicle and use the vehicle for 1 month in busy traffic of Bangalore, go to RTO after a month, get a driving test done, and RTO gives you a permanent license, and then you remove the L-board, right? But when it comes to life, the L-board should be your permanent reality, because when you stop learning, you stop growing. Back to you.